Hello, this is Greg from SharePoint Maven, and in today's video, I will show you how you can easily organize your Microsoft Forms into various collections. This is a relatively new feature we now have with Microsoft Forms. So here I have plenty of forms in my account. As a matter of fact, if I click all forms, these are the different forms that I have created. And I just want to organize them a little bit better. All right. I just want to organize them. Let's say I want to organize some of these forms. They apply to human resources. I want to organize them under HR. So we have this new feature called collections, and it works just like folders, right? It's almost like organizing files into folders. Let me show you. So if I click new collection and I say HR forms, and I created a new collection. And what you can do, you can literally, just drag and drop the forms in here. So let's say this one is part of this collection. Here we go. You see there is one item here. Let me move another one. All right. So this is just different, just like a different categories. So if I, click on a given collection, I will get to see pretty much all the forms that are inside of that collection. And it's easy to move them to a different collection. Let's say I now want to move it to a different collection. Well, I don't have any, but if I want to have any other collections, I would be able to move them to a different collection or remove from collection. All right. Now, very, very important to note, and this is why I mentioned that it works just like a folder. If I decide to delete a collection, all right, it will delete all the forms inside of it. All right, so very, very important. All right, it's not just going to delete the collection. So if I moved all my forms and I now press delete, it actually tells me here that all the forms inside will be deleted. All right, I mean, in my case, I'm not, I guess, going to delete the forms I'm using. By the way, you will be able to restore them for a period of time from the recycle bin, but very important to note is that you will lose all your forms as well, and they will go to the recycle bin. Right. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a nice little feature, in my opinion. Very very useful feature because when you create your forms, I mean, usually the forms are organized. The forms are organized. They're either your personal forms, right, or they're group forms, just like the ones you see here. So they're kind of organized in that manner. But when you have personal forms, all right, you typically want to organize it a little bit more. All right, you might end up with tens, maybe even hundreds of forms and quizzes that you created over time, and it's just a nice little way, for you to organize your forms into some logical hierarchies. All right, so that's all that really exists in terms of this feature. That's all I really wanted to show you today. Hopefully you learned something new. As always, happy to see you on my blog, sharepointmaven.com, as well as my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of the day. Goodbye.